Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to steam soft tofu and egg tofu with spicy mala pasai. Hope you like it. The steamed tofu with spicy sauce tastes fresh and spicy. The tofu is tender and tasty. The sauce is rich, and the taste is rich and layered, which is very memorable. This recipe is easy and quick to prepare, suitable to make it for your daily meals. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: soft tofu, egg tofu, chopped garlic, mala paste. Egg tofu cut from the middle of the packaging and squeeze egg tofu in bowl. Remove soft tofu from packaging. Soft tofu has a delicate and smooth texture and melts in your mouth. Its light bean fragrance complements various seasonings, and it can show a unique flavor whether it is mixed cold or cooked hot. In terms of nutrition, soft tofu is rich in high-quality plant protein, calcium, and multiple vitamins, low in fat and calories, and is the best choice for a healthy diet. Spread a spoonful of mala paste on plate. Slice soft tofu and place it on plate. Sliced egg tofu and place on both sides of soft tofu. Sprinkle chopped garlic on tofu. This dish is basically half done. You can put it in the steamer to steam it. Steam for approximately 10 minutes. Steamed tofu is done. Garnish with coriander. Drizzle soy sauce or sesame, all at own preference. This dish is super easy as you just need to cut ingredients and let it steam. Spicy steamed tofu is not only a delicious dish with good color, aroma, and taste, but also contains multiple health benefits. Tofu itself is rich in plant protein and is easily absorbed by the human body. It is a good source of protein for vegetarians. The calcium contained in tofu contributes to bone health, while soy isoflavones have a positive effect on female hormone balance. Capsaicin in spicy seasoning can promote blood circulation and enhance metabolism. In addition, this dish is low in fat and calories, suitable for people who pursue a healthy diet. In short, spicy steamed tofu can satisfy the taste buds while taking into account nutrition and health. It is a delicious dish worth recommending. Egg tofu combines the fragrance of eggs and the delicacy of tofu. It has a smooth texture, the softness of tofu, and the elasticity of eggs. It melts in your mouth and is intoxicating. In terms of taste, egg tofu has both egg and bean fragrance, which complement each other. Whether it is light steaming or rich stewing, it can show a unique flavor. In terms of nutrition, egg tofu is a high-quality source of protein. The whole protein in eggs combined with the plant protein in tofu provides a variety of amino acids needed by the human body. At the same time, egg tofu is also rich in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B group, vitamin D, calcium, iron, etc., which are very beneficial to maintaining good health. The low-fat and low-calorie characteristics make egg tofu an ideal choice for healthy diet and suitable for all kinds of people. Egg tofu is a nutritious and easy-to-digest food for the elderly. Its high content of high-quality protein helps maintain the elderly's muscle mass and physical function. D. The calcium in tofu has a positive effect on preventing osteoporosis, while the vitamin D provided by eggs helps calcium absorption. The soft and tender texture of egg tofu is suitable for the elderly with poor teeth, reducing the difficulty of chewing. However, the elderly should pay attention to the cholesterol content in egg tofu, especially for those at risk of high cholesterol or cardiovascular disease, and should consume it in moderation. In addition, the phytoestrogens in tofu may affect hormone balance, and the elderly should consider their personal health status when consuming it. In summary, egg tofu is good for the elderly, but it should be consumed in moderation and adjusted according to personal health status. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.